In this video, I will show you how to make a double jump ability for your player. So as you can see, when I go on the floor, I can jump 2 times. So 1, 2, and if I go back on the floor, it resets the jumps back to 2. So let's get started. Alright, first, I'm gonna make a new sprite. So I'm just gonna make really simple. Okay, after you're done, I'll just rename it player, and I'll make a variable, actually 2 variables. Click OK. And so when green flag click, forever change gravity by -1, and we'll change y by gravity. There you go, it's working. We'll just reset gravity to 0 every time and reset its position. Okay, it's working. So I'll hide that so you won't need it. Now let's just I'm gonna make a floor. So green. That's good. So I'll just rename this ground. The ground won't have much code. It'll just reset its position. If it's mistakenly moved, like this. Now, as you can see, the player just going through the ground. So get an if touching ground, then we're going to have to change y by times gravity -1. Yep, it's working. And let's just make a jumping script. Put the if in the if touching ground, not outside, in here. If key space is pressed, then set gravity to 12. So space was best. It's working. I'll just change this to W. Yep, it's working. Now let's just make the player move left and right. Grab another green flag clicked. Forever. 2 ifs. And make a new variable. I'll call it X. Okay. So set X to 0. And grab 2 key space pressed. This. I'll change this one to D and this one to A. And I'll change X to 1, duplicate, and X to -1. Yep. So if I check here, yep, it's changing. Now get a change X by, not a change Y by. Put it down here and change X by X. So see here, now it's really slidey. So if this happens, just make sure to set gravity to 0 every time it touches the ground. Just change it here, 100. Yep, it's working. Now it's really slidey, so get a set here and put it in there. Okay, so now it should provide friction. You can increase these if it's too small, too slow. So yep, this is good. Now we can work on double jump. So as you can see, we can't double jump. So make a new variable, call it jumps. So we're gonna set jumps to 2, or as many jumps as you want. So I'll just set it to 2. Just drag this out here and just forever. If jumps is bigger than 0, then set gravity to 12. And we also want to decrease, so change jumps by -1. So it should work. Boom. Oh, and also drag a wait until key W not pressed. Boom, boom. Yep, it's working. And now we can't jump. So when we touch the floor, you want to set the jumps back to 2. So now it should work. Large readout. So it's working. 1, 2. And oh, that's another problem. Fix. So it's really simple. Just grab an if. It's exactly the same as this. So if touching ground. If touching ground, then change x by -1. So now it should work. Yep, it's working. There you go. You got your own double jump mechanic for your player. Thanks for watching.